Daddy, that was fast.
Okay, so 370.
Mommy,
Lead
that
the way.
was fast.
I
Like
know.
only like 10 seconds.
Oh, happy birthday, Caroline. Happy birthday. Are we going the right way? 370. Go, go, Daddy, go.
How many more does it go on?
Wow, it's cool here.
Is it cool? Where?
Wow. Happy birthday, Caroline. Did you find it, Cash? 370. You find it? Which one?
We even get a new. Mommy, guess what? We have a
Wow.
view of a river. Just right there.
The river. What's the river?
River.
River.
Oh my God!
Okay, go. Yeah, go, let's go.
I'm gonna take my shoes off. Look, there's another one. I know.
Wow.
Yes,
our
my baby
hotel.
can shake anyway.
The last time we came here, no one slept in here because Cash was only little.
Right? Look your bed.
Whoa! What's this? I
Wow,
swear,
look
this
at
is
your bed.
This is the night. Wait, no. Just one.
Yeah.
We cannot stay too long, huh? Because we have a reservation for dinner. 7:15. What time is it now?
I love you, Mommy. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Love you too.
What's this?
Wow, look at this sky. Happy birthday.
I'm sitting next to my. It says something. My name. It says my name is.
Look at this.
Well, I want to keep.
They have a happy birthday balloon. And you have another toy again.
This is my best friend.
Really?
What's his
And
name?
look, you just read the
Alton
poem.
Tower.
Can you
Mommy.
read again what it says?
Mommy. My name is Archibald, and I live in this amazing room. Please leave me here to continue to enjoy my adventures with other amazing people. And then it's ripped off this part. I'll get him.
You know what? We've been here. Yeah, hold it like happy birthday to you. Lights, so there's no lights. Wait there, don't
Wait,
move.
don't move. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Show me the balloon.
I love my birthday.
Happy birthday
I love my birthday.
to you.
All the time. I don't want to be.
And
Look
the
my
balloon
left
from
way.
our
Look my back.
hotel. Oh, we're overlooking the fountain. Look at that.
Wait. I love this fountain.
I will sit there on your own now, dali.
Teddy bear is yours.
I'll figure out how to use this thing. Okay, guys?
Happy birthday to
My
you. Choo, choo,
Actually,
choo,
trying to figure out how
choo,
to do
choo.
that.
Huh? Kuya Cash is in the other room.
He's playing on
This is so cool.
figured it out. Yep.
Oh my god, so you're going to play ano?
Xbox.
Okay, it's for
But how do we
holiday anyway.
Could we play Xbox on a but how
This is our hotel. Mga friendships. Yeah. We are now in our hotel. We're going to find a restaurant now so we can eat. No, maybe you cannot open because it's cold. There's a balcony behind me, but we cannot open it, I think, because it's cold. Come on, Liu. Our restaurant is Crooked Spoon. Crooked Spoon, our restaurant is. So, yes.
we need to go to the enchanted village?
Maybe
Oh,
don't.
we don't.
This is Sir Algernon here. In the interest of
Hi,
safety,
Mr. Moustache.
will all guests kindly refrain from climbing upon or entering the ship. Thank you for your cooperation and have a splendid time.
Go. Watch where you're going. You're going to fall down the stairs. Still looking for our restaurant. Where did you see? Friendships. Our restaurant is outside the. It's in Enchanted. Our restaurant is in Enchanted Village. So, yeah, we have to walk in this enchanted lane. It's outside the hotel. And we're not wearing our jacket because we thought it's inside the hotel, but well, it's alright.
There's a big picture of it.
In the morning.
Because this is our last day, because we have to play a game. Last day because we have nothing.
Because it's your last day, so you have to play again like really early in the morning, yeah? Very
Because
good.
we're going swimming and we have nothing else. And also, I got this from an early guy called Santa Claus, which only the kind of people trust.
Really good also. Open Towers Fountain.
Hi.
Something.
Hi.
Please watch.
Please watch our videos and subscribe to our channel.
What's the name of your channel, my
Blender Online Lifestyle.
Kai, come. You say hi. My name is Kai. Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and Xbox. First time having Xbox. I love swimming.
Did you like your Moon Voyager bedroom?
It looks exactly like last time.
Really?
They haven't
Do
changed
you
anything.
remember? Their bedroom is just right next to this wall. Secret garden. Sit down. There's a bird. Is that scratching?
Look, guys.
He's 3 pounds.